In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Workspace for your business 2026 complete guide, 5 minutes. We're going to walk through everything you need to get your business up and running on Google Workspace, from the very first click to activating email, adding users, and choosing a plan. I'll explain what each step does and share simple tips so you feel confident as you go. Start by heading to the Google Workspace website. On the homepage, look for the Get Started or Start Free Trial button. Both take you into the same guided setup. The trial gives you time to explore Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Meet, and more before you commit, and you can convert your trial to a paid plan later without losing your setup. You'll be asked for your business name, how many employees you have, and your region. This helps Google tailor your default settings and billing. Enter a clear, accurate company name because it appears on internal dashboards and invoices. For employee count, include anyone who needs their own email address. Choose the region where your organization primarily operates for appropriate localization. Next, decide whether you want to use a domain you already own or purchase a new one. Your domain is the part after the @ in your email address, like yourcompany.com. If you already have a domain, you'll connect it during setup. If you don't, you can buy one through Google or another registrar. Pick a name that's short, brand aligned, and easy to spell. Keep your domain login details handy as you'll need them for verification. You'll then create your administrator username and password. This account is the master key for your workspace. Think administrator at yourcompany.com or a simple first name format if you're the sole owner. Use a strong, unique password and store it securely. You'll use this admin to manage users, billing, and security across your organization. Now you'll verify domain ownership. Google provides a verification code, usually a TXT record, which you'll add in your domain's DNS settings at your registrar. Copy the exact value Google gives you, paste it into the TXT field, and save. DNS changes can take a few minutes to propagate. Return to the setup page and click Verify. If it doesn't complete right away, wait a bit and try again. After verification, activate Gmail by updating your domain's MX records. This tells the internet to deliver email for your domain to Google's mail servers. In your DNS settings, remove old MX entries from previous providers and add the Google Workspace MX records with the priorities shown in the setup wizard. Plan this change during a low traffic time and expect that it may take up to 24-48 hours to fully propagate, though it's often much quicker. Once done, send a test message to confirm delivery. Open the admin console to add additional users if you have a team. Go to admin.google.com, sign in with your admin account, and create users with their names and desired email addresses. Assign the default user role unless someone needs admin privileges. Licenses are applied automatically based on your plan. To keep your inbox organized, create free email aliases for common addresses like info at, support at, or billing at that deliver to your primary inbox. Aliases are not separate mailboxes. They're extra addresses that point to an existing user. This is a simple way to present a professional front without juggling multiple accounts. Finally, select a subscription plan to continue after the 14-day trial. Review plan options based on storage, security, and meeting features your business needs. You can usually change plans later as you grow, so start with what fits today. Add your billing details, confirm, and you're set. At this point, your Google Workspace is live, your domain is verified, Gmail is routing correctly, your users are added, and your plan is set. From here, you can fine-tune settings in the admin console, like email signatures, drive sharing defaults, and calendar resources. If you ever get stuck, the Setup Wizard and Google's Help Center provide clear, step-by-step guidance that mirrors what we covered. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new professional workspace.